Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieve this gel X full set, then keep on watching. Okay, so basically I started by prepping her nails. I did most of the prepping off camera, but I will link the card up at the top that has the video that will show you how I prep the nails for a full set of gel X extensions. So it was pretty simple for her. This is my mom's hands, by the way. Hey girl, if you're watching. But yeah, we decided to do a set of full gel X nails. Also, if you're interested on any more gel X nail videos, I will link the card up here, and it's a full playlist of all my gel X nail designs and sets that I have done. Okay. All right, so we're using the Aprés Natural Short Coffin in Emma. This color looks so beautiful on my mom's hands that I had to copy her and use the same tips for my own hands. But I'm taking the Creations Soft Gel Extension Glue. I've been loving this glue, you guys. It's pretty affordable. I think it's about $8 or $10, something like that. Don't quote me. But yeah, what I do here is basically apply a slip layer on all 10 of her fingers just to create a nice adhesion to the nails with a tip. And then I'm going to cure it for about 10 seconds. You don't want to cure it too long because you don't want to like make it hard, you know what I'm saying? So just about 10 seconds. And after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and start the application process. All right, so sorry for the angles, you guys. I was trying to figure out how to, film this thing and make sure you guys get the angles. But here, basically what I'm just doing is taking the gel X tip and I'm dropping it on the nail at a 45-degree angle. It's pretty repetitive. Like I said, once you prep the nails, applying the gel X extensions to the natural nail takes about I'll say maybe 5 or 6 minutes. It does not take long at all. So basically I put the gel on the tip and then I drop it on the nail bed at a 45-degree angle, and then I cure it with my mini Omni light, which I did a full video on, and I will link it right here on the card, so you could get a review on this light. All right, look at the color, you guys. It literally looks like her nails, but better. It looks like she's growing these are her own fingers, okay? But yeah, this color looks beautiful on her to the point that she literally said this is gonna be her go-to color. So I need to stock up on these tips because, girl, she's gonna drain me, okay? But anyway, so what I'm doing next is basically I'm going to take a hand file, and I'm going to remove the little tips on the end. You see the little knobs on the end, and just make sure everything is nice and neat and even, and just take your time with this because you don't want to cut your client or be too rough on their hands. Once I do that, I'm taking my gel X prep, and this is a combination of basically I think acetone and alcohol, and instead of using a hand file or an e-file, you just rub this on the nail a little bit aggressive, and it creates texture. It removes the shiny layer on top of the nail. So I'm doing that on all her fingers, and I'm getting ready after that to design the nails. Okay, so as you guys know, art, hand painting, art is not my forte. So I love to use stamping plates to, get the desired looks that we're going for. And my mom loves little wiggly lines and stuff like that. So we're using this plate right here. I think I got this from, I want to say Amazon. So basically, I'm going to put the color down, and I'm using a color from Maniology. I can't remember the name of it, but here I'm basically applying the Maniology sticky base. And what this does is make sure that the stamp adheres to the nail without like peeling or, coming down weird or anything. So once I do that, I'm going to take the color from Maniology, and it's like a purple color. Hold on, let me go grab it. Okay, so I got the color in my hand. So the color that I'm using is Wolf Fish B223, and this is for from Maniology's website. You guys, if you use Adine 10, ADINE 10 on their website, you get 10% off your purchase. So make sure you use that, and I will link it down below as well. Take advantage of that discount code. And I do apologize to you guys. I didn't even, the angle that I had, you couldn't even see me laying the down, but I have videos on stamping on my channel as well. So make sure you check that out. And basically here, I'm just going to move everything out of the way, and we're going to get ready to basically apply top coat. The cool thing about the apresgelx full cover color tips is the fact that literally it saves you time. All you have to do is do your little design, or you don't even have to do a design at all and just do top coat like I'm doing here, and the nails are pretty much done, you guys. This set took me maybe, I'll say maybe an hour, if that. We were just having a good time talking and catching up. Of course, it's my mommy, so we were having a good old time. But yeah, this is how the nails look. Let me know what you guys think. Also, what else you want to see from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys I will see you guys next time, which is next weekend, probably Saturday or Sunday. Take care.